from our media have a lot of questions they would like to ask our executives from OPPO or to address to Ms. Sarah. So at this point, we would like to open the floor for questions. And we would also like to request that the members of the audience please make some space. Just a little bit of space. If you could move back.
What do you expect now
And if you guys are having a hard time getting a shot or a picture over here, if you can just wait just a little while, maybe explore all the features that are on the phone right over here on the left side. And then once you've explored that, you'll probably have a chance to come back and meet Ms. Sarah Geronimo and ask her a couple questions yourself. But we please request that everybody has the utmost patience, as there are a lot of people that would like to see her. All right, questions please, go ahead.
All right, well, just before I answer the question, first and foremost, I'd like to officially welcome Ms. Sarah Geronimo, being part of the OPPO family. Now, in terms of next project expectations, our marketing and brand team are still in discussions. So as and when we do have further confirmed projects, we will be making our announcements, especially through online. So stay tuned. Please follow our Twitter or Facebook account where we will be giving our hints of upcoming projects.
Sarah, what makes you agree to be the ambassadress of OPPO?
Hi, what made me agree? Good quality po kasi yung phone talaga. And marami po sa mga kabayan natin naghahanap ng phones na talagang affordable and yet has good quality. So perfect yung OPPO Verify. And also yung pang-follow-up lang po sa question mo kanina, we already shot a TV commercial for the new OPPO Verify. So abangan niyo po yan. Enjoy po akong i-shoot yun. Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, before you ask a question, we please request that you state your name and the name of the company that you work for, so she can address them more formally. All right, and the floor is open for questions.
Hi, I'm Kakagala from the Philippine Star. How long was this deal with OPPO? And what are the expectations from both sides? Are we going to see them, Sarah, moving forward from every launch, we will be endorsing particular models for advertising purposes and other efforts moving forward? Well, like what we mentioned earlier, definitely the partnership is around 15 months. It's a 15-month exclusive contract. And then in terms of projects, definitely, like I said earlier, our brands would definitely be working closely with the management team of Sarah in terms of whatever plans we may come up with. And definitely, if and when these programs or campaigns arises, we would be releasing some things through Facebook. And eventually, if we have new programs, we'll be inviting other families of partners as well. So basically, Sarah will be the face of it. Yes.
Next question, please.
I'm Sarah. I'm from Star Studio. I'm Pali. My question is, ano yung age bracket na target nitong mobile phone na ito? Kung na-mention ka na ideal ito sa mga taong on the go, lalo na sa mobility issue natin. Age bracket na.
Well, we're targeting towards the same age of Sarah, and like what she mentioned earlier, the people on the go. So we're looking towards something between the 20s to the 30 age bracket.
So yung professionals ko? Young professionals.
Yes, the young professionals.
Thank you very much for your question, and we'll be moving on to the next question, please.
Sarah, dahil napakaganda ng phone, isa-suggest mo ba kay Mateo na bumili o ririgaluhan mo siya? Alin sa dalawa?
Pag-isipan ko. Thank you for the question.
Pero sa totoo ano yung mga apps na gusto mo rito? Ano yung talagang gusto mo siya na talagang...
mga features ko
yes,
ako yung yung time-lapse na mode. Gusto ko siyang i-try. Yung binanggit ko po kanina na pwede i-capture yung pagbabalance, sunset, space na na bumababa yung araw. Yun po.
Ano yung first initial reaction mo nung malaman mong kukunin kang ambassadress or endorser nitong Oppo?
Initial reaction, syempre po na surprise, diba? Sobrang pleasant surprise. Sobrang patuloy lang yung yung pasasalamat ko kay Lord dahil tuloy-tuloy din po yung blessings niya. So, very, very happy that I'm now part of the Oppo family. Thank you po, ma'am and sir. Thank you po. Thank you.